heart of JP Nagar 7 space at a project that's spread across 4.9 acres and offers over 215 3 and 4 BHK apartments. The project is being built in a single phase and is expected to be delivered by June 2022. Hello, I'm Priyanka Rachaya. Welcome to Project Review. In today's show, we will check out the amenities offered at Mahaveer Sitara, analyze its location, connectivity, as well as assess the retail and social infrastructure. We will also review the builder's profile, their completed projects, pricing of the apartment in comparison with that of other projects in the vicinity, and much more. Mahaveer Sitara is a project by the Mahaveer Group, which is a flagship initiative of the Reddy Structures Private Limited. Mahaveer Group established its base in Bengaluru in the year 1998, and over the past 20 plus years, they have completed over 150 projects and have firmly established themselves not just in Bengaluru but also in Hyderabad.
Mahaveer Ranches in Sarjapur Road, Mahaveer Trident and Eden Field in Electronic City, and Mahaveer Northscape near the Kempegowda International Airport are a few to be named. Mahaveer Sitara is being developed in a single phase and the project is RERA registered. Currently, the project is under construction and will be completed by June 2022. The key highlights of Mahaveer Sitara is the usage of eco-friendly materials for construction, 60% open space, good ventilation and more privacy as there are just 4 units per floor. This is the carpet area measurements of 3 and 4 BHK properties at Mahaveer Sitara. The project comes with add-on amenities like clubhouse, gym, kids play area, rooftop swimming pool, rooftop party area, reading lounge, jogging track, yoga and spa center, visitors parking and provision for many indoor and outdoor games. A 4 BHK apartment gets 2 car parking by default and a 3 BHK home gets 1 car parking. However, you have the provision of requesting for more parking space at an additional charge.
The project can be reached via the ORR and the Brigade Millennium Road. Mahaveer Sitara is strategically located at the heart of JP Nagar 7 space amidst a well-established social and retail infrastructure. Majestic is just 11 kilometers away and some of the prominent localities in the vicinity include Katraguppe, Banashankari and Jayanagar.
Oxford Educational Institute, IIMB, Fortis, Apollo and many other good educational institutions and hospitals are situated within a range of 2 to 6 kilometers. Vega City is the nearest shopping mall that's just around 4 kilometers away. Kalyani Magnum in JP Nagar and companies in Sarjapur Road and Banarghatta Road are the nearest job hubs. Yalachenahally metro station is the closest and the nearest bus stop is just at a walkable distance. Traffic is pretty easy flowing here except for a few junctions.
Shriram Southern Crust, Prestige Elysian, Purva Coronation Square and Esteem Kings Court are some of the major projects in the vicinity.
When compared to all those projects, Mahaveer Sitara's pricing is competitive, their bedrooms are large and promises 60% open space.
I'm at the 4 BHK Ultra Premium apartment at Mahaveer Sitara and this is the main entrance door. So as you pass through the foyer area and enter the living room, you have 3 bedrooms to your left along with a common bathroom, and to the right you have a dining area over here along with a master bedroom and a kitchen. You can have a sofa set put here, a small carpet as well, and have a lovely chandelier. And this is the space where you can set up your television or have a small TV cabinet. And this is the major attraction of the living room, a big window. So this is the dining area. Here you can easily have a 8 to 10 seater dining table set up. And attached to the dining area is this balcony which has a sliding door. So this is a small 10 by 4 balcony wherein you can have a small swing over here or set up your lovely small garden. So this is to the left of the drawing area where you have a small passage, and right at the entrance you have this room. This is a kid's bedroom. It's a small one. So this is the common bathroom which has a big wash basin over here, a toilet and a separate shower area that is bifurcated with the glass. So moving ahead along the passage, to your right you have this bedroom. So this is a pretty big bedroom wherein you can have your cot over here and have the wardrobe placed in here. The major highlight of this room is this big window which gives way for ample light and air to enter the room. The third bedroom is pretty spacious and has an attached bathroom. So this is the master's bedroom, which is pretty big, and you can have your wardrobe over here and have an easy king size bed placed here. The balcony of the master bedroom is pretty big when compared to that of the one provided in the living room. The master bedroom comes with an attached bathroom as well. So this is the kitchen area, and unlike all other projects, this is a closed kitchen. So this is your refrigerator space. You have a separate switch over here for that, and this is a slab, a granite slab, and here you can have your chimney and probably an electric stove if you are using, as well as you can keep your oven or microwave here. And here's a wash basin, a single wash basin, and you have a pretty big window also. Attached to the utility area is the servant's room. This is a small servant's room which has an entrance from the utility area as well as right next to the entrance door. And the servant's room also comes with a small bathroom. This is the basic version of the apartment provided by the builder.
While the average locality price of a 3 BHK apartment in JP Nagar 7th phase is priced between Rs 85 lakhs to Rs 1.75 crore, the price of a 4 BHK apartment in the locality costs you anywhere between 1.2 crore to Rs 2.5 crore. A 3 BHK apartment at Mahaveer Sitara is priced at Rs 1.63 crore and above, and that of a 4 BHK starts from 2.27 crore.
Location is the major USP of Mahaveer Sitara. The pricing of the property is competitive and the social and retail infrastructure around the project is well established. However, traffic snarls at a few junctions can be an issue.